When you perform operations to documents, like opening, saving, and previewing them from within the Worldox document repository, Worldox logs those operations. This log is called the audit trail. This video will walk you through performing an audit on a single document. To audit a single document, select the document, right-click, and choose to audit the file. This will automatically perform an audit on the document's activities that have happened in the last 90 days. Here's another example. If I right-click on this document and choose Audit File, I will receive a message that says no events match your search criteria. When you click OK on this dialog, you can adjust the date and time of your audit search. Now we'll adjust this to be equal to the date the document was originally created, as shown in my browser. I'm going to adjust this to January of 2016. Now I'll click OK. Now I can see the audit of this particular document from its inception or created date. The audit dialog will automatically show you the date and timestamp of the event, which event was performed, the description, the doc ID, and who performed the event. In this case, the 0000 user. You can add additional columns to the dialog, if you'd like, by left-clicking and adding the field. This is how to perform an audit on a single document.